Now, Goldstein, Buckley, Seckman, Rice & Pertz presents Counsel's Corner. Hi, I'm Amy Lynn. Welcome to Counsel's Corner. I'm here with Christopher J. Smith, managing attorney, partner with Goldstein, Buckley, Seckman, Rice & Pertz. And today we're talking about financial compensation after a personal injury. So what kind of financial compensation can you get with a personal injury case?
So you can get your medical bills paid, pain and suffering, and you can also get lost wages. Those are really the three main areas of compensation in a personal injury case.
So how do I get compensated for injuries?
Well, first you should probably hire an attorney. An insurance company will come to you often and they'll want to settle a case quickly, usually for less compensation than you deserve. So if you get an experienced attorney involved, that's really going to help the value of the case.
Now, what about recovering money if I'm partially to blame, at fault?
Okay, so even if you're partially at fault, the other party still bears part of the blame, so you can still bring a claim. Your value of your case is still worth the full value minus the percentage of your own fault. But if you have a good attorney arguing for you that you are not a large percentage at fault, that obviously drives up the value of your portion of the claim.
Okay, now I really want to know this. Should I accept an insurance company's settlement offer?
Don't do it if you don't have an attorney. Insurance companies know that people can get desperate, that when they don't have an attorney, they can take advantage of those people. So you really want to get an experienced attorney involved. We have 4 board-certified civil trial attorneys. The firm's been around for almost 60 years. This is our bread and butter. We handle these cases every day.
Right, so definitely call and get a free consultation. I was strong-armed into taking the settlement. Don't do what I did. So call Goldstein, Buckley, Seckman, Rice & Pertz, and you can get the information you need at 239-500-HURT or go online. It's justicestartsnow.com.